Are you feeling stuck, anxious, or unsure about how to transform your life? Do you find yourself trapped in negative thought patterns that hinder your personal and professional growth? It's time to break free and embrace a new reality with the Change Your Mind, Create New Results program. Transform your mind, transform your life. Proven neuroscience techniques. This program is based on over 30 years of cutting-edge neuroscience research. You'll learn practical, science-backed methods to rewire your brain for success. Expert guidance. Led by an advanced student and NCS-certified trainer under Dr. Joe Dispenza, combines her expertise in clinical EFT and meta-consciousness to provide a holistic approach to personal transformation. Comprehensive curriculum. The course includes 14 hours of immersive teaching, an exclusive workbook by Dr. Joe Dispenza, meditation audio files, and a 30-day Genius Journal to track your progress and insights. Personalized support. Alongside the main course, you'll receive an additional EFT session, a personalized 30-minute consult, and membership in a supportive Telegram group for continuous guidance. Real results. Our dynamic combination of science, videos, and practical exercises has helped individuals and organizations, including giants like Google and Microsoft, achieve lasting change. Flexible learning. Whether you prefer one-on-one sessions or group learning, we have options to fit your needs. Plus, if you join with a friend, you both benefit from a reduced price. Holistic benefits. From relieving panic attacks and overcoming feelings stuck to breaking free from self-doubt and negative beliefs, our approach is designed to address a wide range of challenges. Special bonuses for this enrollment: additional EFT session. Get an extra session to deepen your emotional freedom journey. Personalized consult. A 30-minute consult tailored to your unique needs. Exclusive workbook. Dive deeper into Dr. Joe Dispenza's teachings with a comprehensive workbook. Meditation audio files. Enhance your practice with specially curated meditation audios. Support sessions. Join our support sessions on the 15th and 30th day post-course for ongoing motivation and accountability. Why choose me? Personal experience and empathy. As someone who has overcome a debilitating chronic disease through these techniques, I bring a deep level of empathy and personal experience to my teaching. Certified expertise. I am a certified clinical EFT practitioner and an advanced student under Dr. Joe Dispenza with extensive training in hacking reality and metaconsciousness. Holistic and tailored approach. My approach is trauma-informed, compassionate, and tailored to your individual needs, ensuring that you receive the support and guidance necessary for your unique journey. Proven track record. I have successfully helped clients release limiting beliefs, gain relief from panic attacks, and achieve significant personal breakthroughs. Commitment to your success. My deepest commitment is to serve as a beacon of hope and healing, assisting you in harnessing your inner power to transform your life. I am dedicated to providing ongoing support and guidance to ensure your success. Break through and thrive. Instead of being stuck and stressed out to the max, not knowing what to do, you will have a breakthrough. Get unstuck, find peace of mind, and gain the clarity to design the life you want. What that means is you will feel confident and in control of your life. Isn't this what you really want? Why wait? Your journey to a better life starts with a single step. Register for the Change Your Mind, Create New Results program today and unlock the potential within you. Join a community of like-minded individuals committed to growth, healing, and success. Embrace the power of change and create the life you've always dreamed of. Ready to transform? Sign up now and take the first step towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. Your mind is the key to your success. Let's unlock it together.